Our human body is a masterpiece, and we have been able to utilize it the way we want to. And this has come through years or even decades or even centuries of evolution. All of this has led us to a very, very smooth transition from being an ape to a human to a motorcyclist. And with this, I would really want you to understand. So hang on, I will share with you how your body works and what you need to do first, second, and third in order to get the most out of your motorcycle. As humans, we are very much structured in multitasking. However, traditionally, our human body has been designed in a way in a sequential manner. Our system works in a sequential way. And listen to this carefully. These are the 3 steps that follow for anything, and especially for adventure motorcycle riding. The first step is your line of vision. How do you look? It plays a very critical role in setting up the next thing, which is your body position. Your body plays a very important role in moving the motorcycle here and there. And that can be initiated by understanding the vision and then giving the interaction to the body, and then following by the third thing, which is the controls. Once you have visioned, then you put up your body position and then followed by your controls. So how it works, let me explain. When you're riding along a very adventurous kind of environment, how do you encounter that obstacle? The first point of contact is your vision. So that's when the initiation of everything starts. You look at an object or an obstacle and then you start figuring out what you need to do. At that point of time, probably you are having 3, 4, 5 or 6 options in your brain. All of these options you need to figure out and then choose. Based on that decision, you send the signal to your body. So let's take for example, I am going into an adventurous location and there is a rock in front of me. I have an option to go over it, to go from the left, to go from the right, to stop, to take a right turn, left turn, and many other options. However, I decide that I will go through it or go over it. So that's the decision that I have made based on the vision. From there onwards, the body will take over. The body will really understand what is happening, and then once your mind has given you the direction that you will go over it, that means your body will come to in the next position, which is bracing yourself for the impact of the front wheel and compressing the front suspension. Once all of that has happened, what will be the next step? The next step would be your body will now give directions to the limbs. And your limbs, which is your right hand for the throttle and your legs for the squat, they will go up and down and the throttle will be blipped. At this point of time, the line of vision, the body position and the controls have worked. And with this, you are able to negotiate the obstacle. It's very easy to really understand how this is happening. However, all of this is happening, including the decision making, in fractions of a second. So, which is why it is really, really important for us to get trained and get all of these instances into our muscle memory. When we build our muscle memory, it becomes super smooth. Without thinking much, you can start taking decisions in a better fashion and can get over these obstacles much, much faster. I hope this video did justice to the things that you were thinking about: your body position, your line of vision and your controls. Thank you so much for all the support in this channel. I would love to see more likes and subscribes on the videos. Please share it with your friends. Please make this information popular, because not just it's for the YouTube channel, but it is really important for other fellow riders to learn how to ride better, to learn how to enjoy the motorcycles and stay on the saddle longer. With this, thank you so much. I will get back to with lots of more videos that I'm trying to prepare, and see you soon. Bye bye.